In the second wave, we can see that there is a continuously the number of daily cases is subsiding, that's declining also, and it remains lesser than the number of daily recoveries. From 12th May, daily new cases are on the decline continuously, and since 14th May, our recovered cases are more than the new cases. 83% of our active cases are in 10 states, and the remaining 17% are in 26 states and UTs. 7 states, Delhi, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Haryana, Gujarat, Uttarakhand and Jharkhand, they have less than 1,000 cases. 5 states, Jammu, Kashmir, Punjab, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, UP, they have less than 2,000 cases. And even the most affected states like Maharashtra, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, there also we can see that there is a decline in the number of cases at a significant rate. Growth rate from 5th of May, it was 14.7%, and today it is 3.48%. Then I would like to update you about a little bit about the InsaCog sequencing labs. We all know that these RNA viruses, they have a potential for frequent mutations, and some of these mutations can adversely affect disease transmission as also the severity. So you will recall that we had established 10 national labs for the InsaCog this sequencing facility. Now till now we have done some 30,000 sequencing, and recently we have added 18 more new labs to this national consortium. So now we have a total of 28 labs doing this genome sequencing. Finally, a bit about mucormycosis, which is something which has been in the discussion for quite some time now. On the special dashboard that we had created last time, I had apprised about this to the GOM. We have from 28 states some 28,252 cases till now, and out of this 86%, that is 24,370 cases, are having a history of COVID. 62.3% cases, that's about 17,601, are having history of diabetes. We have the maximum number of cases from Maharashtra. This is about 6,329, followed by Gujarat 5,486, and then of course MP, UP, Rajasthan, Haryana, Karnataka, Delhi and Andhra Pradesh. So this is briefly the outline of some of the features that I thought I must highlight before we go to the presentations. So now I'll first request Dr. V.K. Paul to present the first presentation before all of us and brief us about the latest status around vaccination and preparations for taking care of the children in a better way in the future times. Dr. V.K. Paul, you can take over now.
Thank you, sir. Sir, my presentation is visible, sir? Just confirm.
Yes, very much.
Thank you so much. Honorable